right, Jamaica, apologies for that. We had a technical challenge, but we are back via phone with Rayone Barton, who is the self-proclaimed Jamaican Siri. She's on the phone right now, using her skill to educate Jamaicans during the COVID-19 pandemic. Rayone, hi.
Hi.
All right, you're back with us. All right,
Yes.
my comm student from NCU. So you found a new voice during this time. How are you using this creativity to empower others, and where are you going to take it from here?
So especially with the pandemic right now, I realized that a lot of fake messages were being sent around, and I wanted to find a way to, teach people that about COVID. So one of my friends on Instagram, Malcolm Orain, said, Siri, why not just tell everybody, what not to do, because he was getting pretty annoyed with the messages that he was getting. So I messaged one of my friends, Eric Stone, and drafted a script and recorded the voice over for the video, the PSA, and I said, please just put a video on it and just allow my voice to run over it, and bam. And I just put it on social media just for my friends, and I realized that many people just started to share it and everybody loved it. So that's how I got to do that.
All right. Has it led to some jobs for you?
Not yet. But before, I actually do voiceovers, so I have a few clients here and there.
How many voices do you have, Rayone? How many do you have? The Siri voice?
Eh? I have my radio voice, because my major is radio at NCU and DCS, and I have the Siri voice. And I'm yet to find out, really, if I have any other voices.
All right, I'm going to put the challenge to you right now. I'm going to ask you a question, and you're going to respond as Siri. Are you ready?
Sure.
So, Siri, what should I do right now?
I think you should do whatever you feel like.
I love it. So, Siri, should Neville Bell come back on a Wednesday with me, or should he work another day with somebody else?
I think we should focus on Neville's safety. We all want him to come back, but I don't really know.
Yo, your voice, but doing so like Siri. Okay, so Siri, what should I have for breakfast?
Something healthy.
Like what, Siri?
I think you should have a shake or a fruit smoothie.
What? Come on, give me some Jamaican food for eat, Siri. What can I cook? Give me a Jamaican dish I can cook. Give me the recipe.
I think you should cook ackee. Do you eat saltfish?
Yes, I do.
Ackee, saltfish, yam, banana, and some boiled dumplings with a little bit of vegetable on the side.
I love it. So, Siri, what is your favorite Jamaican song?
Toast by Coffee.
Oh, Toast by Coffee. Could you sing it, Siri?
I cannot sing, but I will try to spit the lyrics to you.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Siri.
Toast. Sending a me with a fourth. Blessings we are reap. For we course in a handful. Blessings fall, our right hand. Should I continue?
Siri, I'm bad, you know. So, Siri, what's your favorite Jamaican word, phrase, saying, adage?
My favorite Jamaican phrase, Williko but Vitalawa.
Licko, but Metalawa. I love it. Yo, my girl, you forgot get the job you forgot get Siri job, you know, me not lie. I want you to get rich.
So.
You're so good. So tell me, what time are you on radio? Tell us so we can tune into you and hear you.
I'm not working yet. I was just saying I'm a radio student.
What's that?
I'm not working yet. I'm a radio student.
You're a radio student. Okay. I thought you were also on radio. But
No.
when do you finish your degree and where do you plan to go with your career?
I'm in my final year right now, and I am back and forth on whether I want to stay here or go abroad to further my studies in media as well. I like the marketing area of media, so I may dabble in that. And that's the thing, that's the beautiful thing about media. I love how diverse it is. There are many jobs that I can take on. So I really look forward to, unleashing another skill, whether it's through writing or improving my voice and finding another voice. But yeah, that's my plan so far.
Excellent. All right, I'm going to put you to the test one more time before we go. If you were a real Jamaican Siri, not the Siri American Siri, now how would you sound? Give me your Jamaican Siri voice. So I'll ask you a question. Siri, how do I get to Portmore?
How do you get to Portmore?
Yeah. Jamaican Siri, how me reach a Portmore?
Me not think if I got it.
Siri, why shouldn't I go there? Why am I not forgot this? So?
Have you not seen the news?
No, me never. Siri, me never see the news.
Okay. Yeah, pull it up right now.
That's so cool. Listen, I'm looking forward to watching your growth. And as you said, there's so many spaces to work in media. We wish you all the best. We welcome you to the club and looking forward to working alongside you in some way, shape, or form.
I look forward to that as well.
Yeah, man, you know if you find me, link me. You don't know how my thing set. You know how my thing set. Enough youths we are bringing out of media. Thank you so much, Rayone Barton, a.k.a. Yes, bless you, the Jamaican Siri. We thank you for stopping by. And my people, up next, just stick and stay and you'll see what's next. Remember to wash those hands, all right? Up next is always going to be something empowering. I think we'll be speaking to the head girl of Woolman's Girls, accepted by Harvard. All right, keep it locked to Smile Jamaica. We'll soon come.